Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an envelope style folio with embellishments using some free printables. The folio is made in an envelope style with fold open flaps together with pockets and cards. This type of folio is perfect to use as an embellishment in your junk journals. The papers used to make this set coordinate with the Summer Garden printable paper pack. You can find a link to all these printables in the description below this video. To get started, print the free printable pages onto sheets of cardstock. Make sure to print the backing page on the underside of the cover and the flap pages. Use the printed guidelines to make creases on the cover and flaps, then cut out all the pieces. To cut out the buttons, I find it easy to do this using a 1-inch circular hole punch. If you turn it upside down, you can easily align the edges to punch out perfect circles. Fold the creases on the flaps and the cover and press with the bone folder. Glue the cover inset pieces onto the front of the cover. You can use liquid glue or a craft strength glue stick. Apply double-sided tape or glue to the tabs on the flaps. With the cover and the flaps facing up, carefully center and align the side edges on the center section of the cover over the tab sections on the flaps and press in place. To attach the pockets, apply narrow strips of double-sided tape or a thin line of liquid glue along the side and bottom edges. Position the large pockets on the bottom and centre sections and the small pockets on the flaps. Once the pockets are in place, you can insert the cards. To finish off the folio, you can use some ribbon or cording to wrap around it, or you can make a button closure. To make the buttons, glue 3 circular pieces one on top of the other. Then punch a hole in the middle using a bookbinding awl or some other sharp tool. Then apply some ink to the edges using an ink applicator. There are enough circles to make 2 buttons, but I'm only using 1. You could use 2 buttons and attach the second button to the bottom section, then wind some cording around the buttons in a figure 8 to use as a closure. Using a pencil, make a mark along the centre of the front fold-over flap about 1 inch up from the bottom edge, then punch a hole using a bookbinding awl. To attach the button, push a metal brad through the hole in the button and the front cover, then secure on the underside. To hide the sharp prongs of the brad, apply some glue to the butterfly shape and press in place over the prongs. To finish the closure, make a slip knot at the end of a length of cording and attach it to the button. Then wind the cording around the folio and then around the button.